Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you exactly how to fix an external microphone that's not working in Windows 11, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to check the connection. First double check that your microphone is properly connected or not. You can check it from that place. Also you can go to the setting. Once you come over here, the setting will be open for you. So if it is USB, unplug and reconnect it to different port. If it is a 3.5 mm jack, make sure it plug into the microphone port, not the headphone jack. Also try restarting your computer after reconnecting. Then the next one is set as default device. So let's make sure Windows is using correct microphone. Right click the sound icon in the taskbar and select sound settings. So here you just need to go over here. So, and then go to the sound setting. Once you come over here, then here you will see that one, like you under input check if your external microphone is selected. So here you can see into the input panel our external microphone is selected and it is working. If you click over here, it will be muted for you. You can see that our speaker is also connected here. If not, then you just need to click the drop down and select your mic. Then click more sound setting, go to the recording tab, right click your microphone and select set as a default device. Next you just need to check microphone permissions. So let's check if apps have permission to use the mic. Like open setting and then go to the privacy and security and then go to the microphone options. Here you will find out the microphone. Here you can see this is the microphone, and here you will see like ensure that apps you want to use have permission too. Like you can see that one note of Windows 10 is not one for microphone access. There is a couple of other we have that is disable, like sound recorder. So now you just need to go and run tool troubleshooter. Like run the built-in troubleshooter. You just need to go to the setting, then go to the system. Like if you go to the system, then you will find out the troubleshooter options. Here you can see you just need to go over here and then you click other troubleshooter options. Here you can see that other troubleshooter. Once you go over here, then you just need to find recording audio and click run. Let's find it out, recording audio. And here if you find out this one, then you just need to be click on run. Follow this system and detect the like you just need to detect the problem and then just solve the problem easily. So that's it. Your external mic should now be working in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.